Matapos itala ang kanyang huling minuto sa UAAP, inihayag ni Kaimani Ladi na ang pinakamatibay na baon niya papuntang Southeast Asian Games ay ang disiplina na natanggap niya sa ilalim ni Ateneo coach Tob Baldwin na ngayon ay siyang magiging sandigan niya sa paglalaro para sa Gilas Pilipinas. Ang ibang detalye alamin sa eksklusibong pag-abante ni Carlo Villaseñor.
Sports Now. Sports Now. Exclusive.
Matapos ng kanyang huling UAAP game, inihayag ni Ateneo one and done standout kay Manny Ladi na ang pinakamalaking baon niya sa paparating na Southeast Asian Games ay ang disiplina at paghubog na nakuha niya sa ilalim ni Blue Eagles head coach Tob Baldwin. Ayon kay Ladi sa eksklusibong panayam ng Abante Sports Now, malaki ang naging papel ni Baldwin sa pag-usbong niya bilang manlalaro at bilang individual. Binigyan din ni Ladi na ang sistemang itinuro sa kanya, detalye, disiplina at composure ang siyang magiging pundasyon ng kanyang paglalaro sa ilalim ni Gilas Pilipinas head coach Norman Black para sa SEA Games.
It was just the small things that coaches have taught me. Coach Tob is a great coach. He's, one of the best I've ever had in my life, and I'm glad to have been under his wing and been like a sponge. I'm just taking everything that he's been saying and trying to apply it. And he's not just teaching me to be a good basketball player, but also a good person. I think that's very important for a coach. I'm very grateful to have him as a coach. And I think a lot of the other players, like Donald, David, Josh, they're really grateful as well.
Tinapos ng Ateneo ang season 88 na may 6-8 record matapos ang knockout loss sa Lasal para sa Final Four spot, kung saan nag-ambag si Ladi ng 13 points at 7 rebounds. Ayon sa kanya, mas naging emosyonal ang pamamaalam sa programa kaysa sa pagkatalo mismo dahil marami raw siyang mamimiss sa grupo. Iginuhit din ni Ladi na ang season ng Ateneo ay puno ng missed opportunities at mga what-ifs, kabilang ang kalusugan ng team at mga sitwasyong hindi nila nabawi. Umasa siyang maunawa ng mga babalik na manlalaro ang pangangailangan mag-step up upang hindi maulit ang pagkalaglag sa Final Four.
I thought we played really well. There's a lot of what-ifs. What if players were healthy? What if, this call wasn't made, this and that. I think it is what it is at this point, and, I think I'm just not taking what we did for granted. And, I just want to make sure that the players understand that they shouldn't take these practices and games for granted. I just want to make them understand that they should take focus on it again, especially coming into next year. Even with 4 players like Josh, we're going to be gone, so they're going to be able to, they have to step up, coming into next year.
Pinasalamatan din ni Ladi ang kanyang mga teammates, partikular na sina Dom Escobar, Jaden Lazo at Josh Lazaro na nagpatibay sa kanyang maliit pero makahulugang panahon sa Ateneo. Tungkol sa kanyang susunod na hakbang pagkatapos ng SEA Games, kinumpirma ni Ladi na bukas ang 2 landas, mga oportunidad sa ibang bansa at posibleng pagbalik sa Pilipinas na nanatili siyang nakatuon sa pagpapatuloy ng kanyang basketball career sa higit na malaking entablado.
And how it ended?
It's not really fun all the way through. They're a pretty good team, and it's credit to even some of the players that were given the opportunity to play such a high level. But yeah, it was a good game. I'm not really sad too much. I'm more sad about things I'm going to miss. But overall, I'm content. I can't be mad. It was a good way to.
Sa pagtatapos ng season, kasama ni Ladi na magpapaalam sa UAAP sina Dom Escobar, Josh Lazaro at Jaden Lazo na nagmarka ng isa pang chapter ng Ateneo sa gitna ng pag-rebuild ng programa. Ako si Carlo Villaseñor, Abante Sports, now na.